In this video, I will share with you how you can use Instagram to make $1,000 to $2,000 per month with affiliate marketing only with the small audience. You do not need any big following or you don't even need to go viral. Let's get started. So first you need an Instagram account if you don't have one, and make sure to optimize your Instagram account in a right way. Add a profile picture and your picture should be clearly visible. Then don't forget to add a keyword in your username. So this is the username affiliate Namita. Whenever any person will going to search the keyword affiliate, my profile will show to that person. So that's why you also need to add a keyword in the username. Like it can be money, it can be passive income, it can be digital. It should be related to your niche, so that when people search the keyword, they will able to find your profile easily. And then next thing is bio. Your bio should be short, crisp, and precise. So in the first line you just need to mention who you are and how you are going to help. So I am helping working professional build their second source of income. Don't keep it very long, just make it short, crisp, and precise. Then there will be a call to action. It can be like free PDF, free checklist, cheat book, cheat sheet, whatever you are giving, you want to give to your audience. So in my case, I am giving them free course. So I have put the link of the free course here. So this is how you are going to optimize your Instagram profile before creating content. And this step is very important. Now you are going to start posting content on your Instagram account. I know you might be thinking what kind of content you will going to post, which products you will going to sell. So keep watching the video. I will share with you what kind of products you will going to sell and where you can find those products. First, let me tell you what kind of content you will going to start posting on the Instagram. Now, here is the biggest mistake that most people do, and that's why they are not able to make money with the Instagram, because they start posting random content. Don't start posting random content. Like one day you are posting motivational content, second day you are posting entertainment videos, fun videos, third day you are posting some challenge videos, fourth day you are posting dance video. So if you are posting randomly without proper strategy, you will not able to monetize your Instagram account. So you need to first decide your niche or a category in which you are interested in, because we are going to build an audience around one niche, so that at the end our goal is to make money. And when you going to build an audience around one niche, it will make so much easier to make money with that audience. So let me give you some example of the niche and the industry that you can choose. There are profitable niches like health, wealth, relationship, or is there any niche in which you are passionate about, like cooking, fitness, interior designing, or any other niche in which you can easily find the products in the market and there should be a need of those products in the market. If these two conditions are fulfilled, then you can go with the niche in which you are interested in. So on Instagram, there are different types of content that you can create, like Instagram stories, reels, collaboration. You can collaborate with other people. But in starting, I suggest you to start with the one kind of format so that you don't get overwhelmed. Once you know how to create content, once you are comfortable with the one format, then you can start creating other format as well. So right now reels are the fastest way to get traffic, to get leads, to grow your Instagram account. So I suggest you to start with the reels. So right now I am going to share with you my simple framework that got me 1.7 million views, and I have built an audience of 15,000 followers with this framework that I'm going to share with you. But before that, I want to bust a myth here. People think that they need a big following, 1 million, 2 million, 500K, big following to make money. This is totally wrong. You need right audience. With the small number of people, like 1,000, 2,000 people, you can make decent amount of money, good amount of money, if you are attracting right people. And I will share with you the strategy that will help you to attract the right audience that will going to buy from you. So to create reels, first So I'm going to divide the framework in the three parts. First, there will be a hook, then value, content part, and there will be a call to action. So to create reels, first you need ideas. And here we are going to play a little bit smart. We are not starting from the scratch. We are actually leveraging what's already working in the market. So we are going to find viral content ideas that's already working in the market. And how you are going to do that, let me show you. So first you need to open your Instagram account and then go to the search bar, enter the keyword, try with the different keywords related to your niche. So let me put it first here, affiliate marketing. Now it will show you all the profiles. So what you need to do now is you need to find big accounts that has like 500k, 200k, 1 million, 300k followers. Now let's me show you. So like this is the good profile, 45.7k followers. Now you need to find viral reels. Now what I mean by viral reel is, if you can see those reels that are getting 4 times, like 5 times more views, shares, comment than the average. So I did not find any reel. So like this, 148k, 150k. So these are the viral reels. Same, you can search with that different like money, different keyword related to your niche. So if I click on this page, I'll go to the reels. You need to find these like 20, 30 viral reels. You can go, so like this is 1.8 million. So this is a viral reel. This profile has only around 280k views, and this got 1.8 million views and 404 comments. So this is a viral reel. Now you can go to other profile, and if you're liking someone content, to save their profile also somewhere that you can access. That will help you to create content. Next time you don't need to search, you can easily go to their profile and find the viral videos, take inspiration and create your content. So like 3 million. So what you need to do here is you need to search the keyword and find all the viral reels. Like just make a list of 30 to 50 viral reels, copy the link and paste in a doc or wherever you can find it easily. So like if you can see here, these are all the viral reels that I have copied and pasted here, so that whenever I am going to create reels, I have some inspiration, some ideas in front of me, so that I don't feel blank, I don't get stuck. Okay, now what to do, what kind of content I will create. So I already have some ideas, some inspiration in front of me. So what you will do once you create a list of 30 to 50 viral reels, so just pick one idea, pick one reel from that list, and first, before going to create, to start analyzing that reel, like what kind of hook in that reel, the length of the video, what kind of value, what kind of, how much the content in that video, like is the video very fast, is the video normal. So in the starting, maybe you don't understand much, but if you keep doing this, you will get so much better in creating content. But this is the way that I have learned most, by analyzing other people content and by creating content. Now you just need to take the idea of from that video, then you need to think how I can make this content better, what can I add in this content. So that's how you will going to create your hooks. And then there will be a content part. So I recommend you make your content part very very simple, so that a fifth grade student can even understand that. Do not add too much content in one reel. If you have so much content, then create another reel. Then there will be a call to action. Now there are different kind of call to action, depends on the purpose, what you want with that reel. Like if you want people to follow you, you can add a follow call to action. If you want people comment a specific word because you want to give them a lead magnet, then you add that call to action in your video. And right now people are adding call to action in between the videos, because at the end people drop off the video and they are not able to see your call to action. So this is the one hack that I have seen recently that people are doing. They try to add their call to action in between the video, because in between the video people are watching and they will also see your call to action. So this is a simple framework, hook, value, call to action that I have followed. In the starting, don't make things very complicated. Keep it very, very simple. I have told you where you can find ideas and just take the inspiration from those videos. You can create your hook, content, and call to action as well. Now the question is how you are going to sell to your audience. But before that, what you are going to sell and where you will find those products, let me tell you that. So if you don't have your own product right now and you are totally new to this online business, and you cannot create your own product, that is totally fine. You can sell other companies and other people's product. There are already great products in the market that you can partner with them, and you can promote their product and you will make good amount of commission, 40 to 50% commission. That's what we call affiliate marketing. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, let me just tell you very quickly what is affiliate marketing. So in the affiliate marketing, you are going to sell other companies and other people's product. When someone will going to buy those product from your affiliate link, you will going to make commission on every single sale. So it's a basic concept of affiliate marketing. So there are some affiliate networks where you can find these affiliate products. So first, ClickBank, it's one of the biggest affiliate marketplace where you can find tons of the product. So what you need to do here is just create your free account. It's absolutely free. Create your free account. Once you create your account, there are lots of categories that you will able to find. So you have already decided your niche, your category. So just go to your category. Let's say you have decided health and fitness. And in health and fitness, there are so many sub niches like men's health, mental health, nutrition, spiritual health. So let's say you are helping people with their mental health. When you click on that category, you can see there are lots of the product you can see here. I suggest you to do your own research and find a genuine product that at least pay you and a good amount of commission, at least 40 to 50% commission. And make sure that product, see the testimonials of that product, see is the company is legit or not. Just see what kind of testimonial they have, what people are saying who bought their product, so that you are going to promote a good product, valuable product, problem that actually solve people problem. So this is one of the affiliate network, ClickBank. Another is Digistore 24. You can go to Digistore 24 as well, and you can find, create your account. You will able to see different categories and you can find your product. Now you have the product, you are building your audience, you are getting traffic. How you are going to sell the product? So there are many different ways that you can sell the product. I will share with you two methods in this video, the way you can sell your product. So first, like on the on Instagram stories, you can promote your products. You can put the testimonials of those product. You on the stories you can promote the product. And the another strategy that I have been using, and I want to tell you before I tell you the strategy. I have made $4,000, something around 3 lakh in Indian rupees, with this same strategy that I'm going to tell you now. So like you are creating 7 reels in a week. So in like 1 or 2 reels, you are going to give them a call to action. You will tell them to comment a specific word to grab your lead magnet. So if you don't know about what lead magnet can be a free checklist, free PDF, free training, anything valuable that you want to give to your audience so that you can attract them by giving them something for free. So like at the end of your reels, you will add a call to action. Comment below money, comment below free, or comment below yes, to grab this free training that will help you to start affiliate marketing business in just 3 days. So this is a call to action. You can make it short. I just make it right now. People will going to comment below your reel to grab that lead magnet. So first you will give them lead magnet, then you will start conversation with them. So how I will share with you a simple framework that how you are going to start the conversation, build your rapport, build your rapport trust, so that at the end that person will going to buy from you. Let me show you the screen. So this is how the flow of your conversation. Don't just use it as copy and paste. Just see the framework and make it your. Use your language, your words, so that it should not sound robotic. It should sound that coming from you. So first you will give them your lead magnet, like, hey, their first name. I saw you commented yes on my reel. Is it okay if I send the free training ebook over here? Then the person will answer the yes. You will going to send the training. That's it. Then you will ask some question to build your rapport, like from where are you, what you do, so that you just build a genuine relationship. Then you will ask question to know their current situation, so that you know how you are going to help them. So like, do you have any idea about affiliate marketing? These are some kind of question I ask. Is there any specific reason for starting the affiliate marketing business? These are the question for the complete beginners. You can change this question according to your prospect. Then there will be the desired situation. Now you know their current situation. Now you need to know what's their desired situation, what's their goal. So like, what's their next plan, how much their revenue goal that they want to make. You know their current situation, you know the desired situation, then you need to find the problem, what's stopping them to achieve their goal. Because once you know the problem, then only you will able to help that person. Now if your product can solve that person problem, then only you will going to sell. If your product is not the right fit for that person, you are not going to sell that. Once you know the problem, you can tell that person, okay, I can help you to solve this problem, let's hop on a call. Or if you don't want to go on a call, you can just send a video how you are going to, how that product you are promoting can help that person, and then you can send the affiliate link to buy the product. So this is the same framework that I have used to sell the affiliate products. Now, if you don't want to do all the selling part by yourself, you don't have that much time, I have a complete done for you system that will going to do all the selling part for you 24 into 7 on autopilot. If you want to know about that done for you system, I have created a detailed video. You can watch the video here. In this video, I have shared everything about that done for you system that will going to do all the selling part for you 24 into 7 on autopilot.